The ill.Methodology drum sound design contains a 32-part deep dive on how to build your own kicks, 17 videos for designing custom snares, 13 tutorials covering all types of percussion, 15 techniques to give a sizzle to your hi-hats, 31 different ways to layer, record samples, and put your kits together. It's got Ableton racks for every drum sound and the complete layered drum kit used for my Tune with Unk trapezoid.
My favorite shape was the trapezoid. The trapezoid.
The amazing trapezoid kit is just one of many downloads within this course. The complete drum sound design course also includes synthesis racks for kicks, snares, hi-hats, and all of the other drum categories. Each one of these racks is like a factory for sounds, spewing out your own maximum quality samples and creating variations with ease. Producers are often told that drum sound design is hard and that they should leave it to the pros, but off-the-shelf or placeholder sounding drums are a hallmark of inexperienced work. Your drums are the focus, power, punch, and texture of every mix. If your drums don't bang, your song won't either. But the good news is that you can learn to make your own drum sounds today. The easiest and best way to learn this vital skill is through the videos, racks, and instruments contained in the ill.Methodology drum sound design course. Look, there's no magic curtain. You can learn to make your own drum sounds, so stop paying people to use the synths you already own. No matter what the sample pack companies say you can't do, the fact is that you have every tool to make all the same sounds they sell you. You'll be able to make sounds much more quickly with all these new sound design racks. You'll be able to achieve that dream of making every sound from scratch while you're writing a song. Life is not all about taking the easy way all the time. With that little bit of extra effort, you can make your sounds express who you are. You can learn the dynamics of creating drum sounds with so much of your personality in them because you got your hands dirty and made them from scratch. It's the difference between microwaving a frozen dinner for one and eating a home-cooked family meal. With a 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. But you don't have to take my word for it. Check out what real customers had to say.